I know most of you are here thinking, this can't be real. This is BS. This is a scam. And I'm here to shock you because this is 100% real. Yes, you can get 1,000 subscribers in a day, in less than 24 hours even, Seth. And if you think I'm joking, the numbers don't lie. I'm not here to deceive anybody or like waste my time. I'm here for serious minded people. If you are here and you know that you need 1,000 subscribers in a day, you've been struggling with your YouTube channel for years or months, struggling to get 1,000 subscribers, then you came to the right place. Let me help you. I'm here to help you, baby. My goal for this community is to get everyone to monetization as quickly as possible because there is a lot of money to be made here on YouTube, guys. There is a lot of money. And if you're not yet making money here on YouTube, one way or another, you are slacking because apart from AdSense, there are other ways to make money on YouTube. And I'm going to link a video that's going to help you with that. So watch that to learn how to make money on YouTube. And if you want to know how I make my money doing this, watch out for the next video because I'm going to be releasing my secret to how I make money on YouTube even without monetization. Okay, so now let's get back to you getting 1,000 subscribers in a day. It is possible, but this is for only serious minded people. And if you think I'm bullshitting, I'm lying, I'm going to put some results on the screen. Of course, I'm going to blur their channel names and their handles just for privacy's sake, but the numbers don't lie. You will get your 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. Let me and my team help you. That is what I'm here to do. But this is not free, of course. Fees are applied. But if you want to get your monetization as quickly as possible, send an email to stephaniemikeworks@gmail.com. The email on your screen or the email down in the description. Send an email to me. Tell me you're interested in getting 1,000 subscribers. Please, if you're not serious, please don't send an email. Only send an email to me if you are serious and you are ready to get your 1,000 subscribers. Because it's not free. I am repeating, it's not free. And if you think it's a joke, well, stay here and be slacking. I posted this like last week. A lot of people responded to this. And of course, my community members know me to always deliver on everything I say. If you have not been following this community for a while, then welcome to the channel. Over here, I deliver on everything I say. I test things. I approve them before I bring them to my community members. I always give like genuine updates that quick. Okay, so for people who responded to that post, they have gotten their 1,000 subscribers. No problem, no hassle. Their channels are doing well. If you still want to help on this, because this is a limited offer, it's just going to be on for a little amount of time. Let me know now. Send an email to the email on your screen. Tell me you're interested. Like I said, only serious minded people. You don't need to keep suffering for years before you can get 1,000 subscribers, before you can get 4,000 watch hours, before you can get monetization. Gone are those days. Let us help you. I have a team that help people. We help your videos. We help your channel to get 1,000 subscribers. And this one is a bonanza. 1,000 subscribers in less than 24 hours. Have you seen that kind of thing before? But over here, I deliver that to my community members. So please and please and please, this is the last time I'm going to speak about this. The next video you're going to be seeing is get ready for the masterclass, okay? If you're interested in that, please turn on post notifications so that you get notified if you really want to make money here on YouTube. So turn on your post notification for that video because that one is going to be an unlisted video. So it's only the first come, first serve. Only people that are serious and interested get access to that video, okay? But yeah, for this video, get 1,000 subscribers. It is not magic. There is work behind it. We are working behind the scenes to help you do that. So do not think it's just magic and you don't trust it. I promise you it's safe. Your channel is safe. These are genuine subscribers, but we're just exposing your channel more to help you get 1,000 subscribers in a day. If you still want to be struggling and go the hard route and be posting videos for years and still don't have 1,000 subscribers, by all means, do you. But for people who are here to make money, serious-minded people, shoot me an email to stephaniemikeworks@gmail.com and you will see magic. You will see your 1,000 subscribers in less than 24 hours. And you will testify to the glory of God for me in your life. You will come back, you will send people to me, you will refer people to me. Also, if you want to get 4,000 watch hour in less than a week, your girl got you. So stick around to the channel, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, share this video to somebody that needs to get 1,000 subscribers, okay? Share this video to them, turn on post notification because all I drop on this channel are germs. I drop valuable content for you guys. I give you guys value. Thank you for watching today's video. I will see you in the next video that you don't want to miss. Okay? Bye, guys.